Millions, millions every night. You look up at the sky, it's just black. So, and then last night about 10:30, I come out here and seen a bird drop.
And I just immediately called Mom because I had to go to work, and I said, "You've got to come get the kids and get the dog because I don't know what's going on, but I don't want them messing with any of them." It was horrible. You could not even get down the road without running over hundreds. It was that bad. Walking around in masks, and I'm wondering, do we need the same thing? Because what makes that happen for them just to drop out of the sky like that?
I'd like to know. Kind of spooky. You never know what's going to happen.
Why does a bug? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah. Oh, well, my hand is shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own. Who do you think of when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up.
An earthquake occurs when two plates or pieces of earth slip on a fault, releasing stored energy in the form of radiating seismic waves, cracking rock, and heat produced from friction. The seismic waves travel through the Earth's crust, causing tremors and often shifting the landscape. Unlike interplate earthquakes such as those common to the North American West Coast, an intraplate earthquake is created along the interior of a tectonic plate. While most notable earthquakes occur near volatile plate boundaries, intraplate quakes can strike in usually stable regions, making them difficult to predict. Many large metropolitan areas in the central United States lie within reach of unpredictable and disastrous intraplate seismic activity. The New Madrid Seismic Zone is an area of intense intraplate seismic activity located in the deep interior of the North American tectonic plate. Stretching from northeast Arkansas through Missouri, Tennessee, and Kentucky, all the way to the southern tip of Illinois, this region has generated some of the most powerful and geologically disruptive earthquakes in U.S. history. A series of 3 such earthquakes which struck the central Mississippi Valley during the winter of 1811 and 1812 sent waves of destruction across the region and left the surrounding area in turmoil for months to come. At 2 a.m. on December 16, 1811, heavy tremors and a thunderous roar swept through the town of New Madrid, Missouri, a sparsely populated but thriving community on the coast of the Mississippi River. Residents reported seeing bizarre flashing lights, geysers of sand, and clouds of sulfur escaping from the ground. Portions of the Earth's surface lifted so high that they blocked the passage of the Mississippi River, causing the waters to flow backwards towards Illinois. The seismic shock waves were so powerful they spread for hundreds of miles across the country. Tremors were felt as far away as New York City. This first earthquake alone released energy greater than that of 1,000 atom bombs. Over the next few months, 2 more catastrophic earthquakes and thousands of smaller aftershocks struck the region, causing widespread destruction and creating several lakes from the waters of the Mississippi River.